Today, I'm going to teach you how to combine PDFs using Adobe Acrobat DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to merge multiple documents into one organized file, whether for work presentations, reports, or personal projects. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, direct your attention to the upper right toolbar. Here you'll see an option that says See All Tools. Click on it to access the full range of features Adobe Acrobat offers. From the Tools menu, look for the option labeled Combine Files. This is the feature that will let you merge multiple PDFs into a single document. Once you've located it, click Open to launch the Combine Files interface. Now you're ready to start adding your documents. Click the Add Files button, which will open a file browser window. Navigate to the location where your first PDF is stored. Select the file you want to combine and click Open. This will import your first document into the Combine Files workspace. To add your next PDF, go to the top toolbar and click the Add Files button again, then select Add Files from the drop-down menu. This brings up the file browser once more. Select the next file you want to combine and click Open to add it to your collection. If you have additional PDFs you need to include, simply repeat this process. Keep clicking Add Files, selecting your documents, and adding them to the workspace until all the files you want to merge are loaded. Once all your PDFs are added, take a moment to review the order. You can rearrange them if needed to ensure they're in the correct sequence. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, look to the upper right corner and click the Combine button. This initiates the merging process. Now wait for a few minutes while Adobe Acrobat combines all your selected files into one document. The time this takes will depend on the size and number of files you're merging, so be patient while the software processes everything. After the combination is complete, you'll see your merged PDF on screen. To save this newly created file, click the Save button in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to choose where to save it. Your options include saving it directly to your computer, uploading it to Adobe Cloud Storage, or selecting another file storage location. Make your selection based on where you need the file stored, then click Save to finalize everything. That's it. You've successfully combined multiple PDFs into one cohesive document using Adobe Acrobat DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.